Today's tutorial is for this simple scarf. The pattern is unbelievably easy. This is a great project for beginner crocheters, but advanced crocheters might find this pattern fun too, because this pattern is very easy to work and very enjoyable. The pattern looks the same on both sides. You can make a scarf with it, you can make a blanket, a cardigan, a sweater. There are so many options. To make this scarf, I use 2 skeins of big twist leave-in yarn, which is 100% acrylic, and I work with a hook size I 5.5 millimeters. The finished measurements of my scarf are 60 inches long and 7.5 inches wide. Please remember to give a like to my video and maybe leave me a comment, even just to say hello. Recently, YouTube has changed the algorithm and many YouTubers, including myself, are struggling. So your support, your likes, your comments really help. Thank you. I start with 28 chains. The multiple for this stitch is 2. And you can start with any amount of stitches you want. Just make sure that the total amount of stitches is even. Here I have 28 chains and I'm starting the first row. Into the second chain from the hook, I make a single crochet. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, over here, I make a single crochet. Into the next chain, I make a double crochet. And now I start alternating making a single crochet, then a double crochet. So into the next chain, a single crochet. And into the next one, a double crochet. And again, into the next chain, I work a single crochet, and into the next chain, I work a double crochet, and that's how I'm going to crochet this row. Here I am at the end of the row. I just made a double crochet and I have 1 chain left, and in that last chain I make a single crochet. So I started the row with a single crochet and I end the row with a single crochet. Now I turn my work and I start the next row with 1 chain. And now I will be working into the back loops only. All the following rows I will work into the back loops. So into the first single crochet, I work a single crochet. Into the next stitch, which is a double crochet, I work a double crochet. And again I alternate. Into the next stitch, into the back loop only, I work a single crochet. And the next stitch is a double crochet, and here I work a double crochet. And that's it. That's how I'm going to crochet this row. And because double crochets and single crochets are different in height, once you make a single crochet, your brain kind of wants to make a single crochet again, but you have to alternate. So you make a double crochet. And then once you made a double crochet, it's so tempting to make a double crochet again, but you are actually making a single crochet. So just pay attention to that, because it's very easy to make a mistake and make 2 double crochets in a row or make 2 single crochets in a row. But you need to alternate here, working a double crochet into each double crochet and single crochet into each single crochet, and we are working into the back loops only. And at the end of the row, I make a single crochet into the last single crochet. I turn my work and I do the same thing. There is only 1 repeating row in this pattern. I start with 1 chain and working into the back loops only. Into the single crochet, I work a single crochet, and then into the next double crochet, I work a double crochet. Then again, a single crochet and a double crochet. A single crochet and a double crochet. And once you've crocheted several rows, your brain will get used to this alternation of stitches, and it's going to become very easy, and you won't have to worry about making a mistake anymore.